Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Iron Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side, is at the belt line. Come over, I'm going to put in a dimple. I'm going to bring the skinny end underneath the big end. We're going to bring it across. We're going to go up and over. Going to come across like this. Up and over like this. Back up and over like this here. So I have this right here, this layer. Very Noel Junio-like. Come over here. Do a fold like that. Then I'm going to do a wreath right here. We're going to come back around. Then I'm going to do another wreath over top of the one I just did. And then I'm going to come up and over here like this. Then I'm going to have it like this here. I don't want it to be damaged in any way. I'll just tuck the tie underneath like that, and then boom. Here you have the Iron Wreath. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. And we will catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless.